In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download transaction history from Coinbase. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and which file type to choose so you can save or share your records with confidence. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Coinbase. Click the official Coinbase.com result. A quick safety tip here: look for the padlock icon in the address bar and make sure the URL is correct before you sign in. This helps keep your account secure. Next, log in with your account. Use your usual credentials, and if you're asked to verify your identity, go ahead and complete that prompt. It's best to do this on a private device and a trusted network for added security. Once you're in, go to your profile. You'll typically find the profile icon at the top right corner of the page. Clicking it opens a menu with options related to your account. From that menu, choose Settings. This is where Coinbase groups key account controls, including access to your statements. Inside Settings, look for the option that says Go to Accounts. Select it to move into the section that focuses on your account overview and documents. In the Accounts area, click on Statements. This page is dedicated to the reports you can generate and download. Depending on your region and account type, you may see options to tailor what you're downloading, such as statement period or account scope. If those options are available, make the selections that match what you need for your records. Here, you can save or download your transaction history in HTML, PDF, or CSV. HTML opens in your browser and is good for quick viewing. PDF is ideal if you need a polished read-only document to share with an accountant or for official purposes. CSV is best for spreadsheets and analysis. You can open it in tools like Excel or Google Sheets to sort, filter, and calculate totals. Choose the format that fits how you plan to use the data. If you're unsure, PDF is a safe default for archiving, while CSV is great for detailed review. After selecting your preferred format, click Generate. The system may take a moment to prepare the file, especially if you have a lot of activity. When it's ready, download the file and save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a clearly named folder. Open it to confirm everything looks right and keep it secure since it contains financial information. That's it. You searched for Coinbase, logged in, went to your profile and settings, navigated to accounts, opened statements, picked a format, and clicked generate. You now have your Coinbase transaction history ready whenever you need it.